Right now, as you watch this video, the sun is keeping you alive. It's warming your skin, growing your food, holding your entire planet in place. But what if, in this exact moment, it just vanished? No explosion, no warning, just gone. What happens next will surprise you. This isn't science fiction. This is a real thought experiment that scientists have actually worked through, and the results are far stranger and far more terrifying than most people expect. Today, on Cosmic Secret, we're going to walk through exactly what would happen to Earth, minute by minute, day by day, if the sun suddenly disappeared. Let's start with something that will blow your mind. You wouldn't even know it happened. Not right away. Here's why. Light isn't instant. It travels fast, incredibly fast, but it still takes about 8 minutes to travel from the sun to Earth. So if the sun vanished right now, its light would already be on its way here. For 8 full minutes, everything would look completely normal. The sky? Bright blue. The air? Warm. People walking outside? Not a single clue. No alarm. No sign. Nothing. And then, exactly 8 minutes later, it would hit. The last ray of sunlight would arrive. And then, darkness. Day would turn to night. Across the entire planet, in an instant, stars would appear in a sky that should be glowing blue. And that moment, that exact moment, is when things get really serious. Because the sun doesn't just give us light. It holds us in place. Right now, Earth is actually falling toward the sun. But it's also moving sideways at around 107,000 kilometers per hour. That combination, falling and moving, is what creates our orbit. Remove the sun's gravity? That balance breaks. Instantly, Earth wouldn't spiral into darkness or fly across the galaxy. It would simply keep going. In a straight line. No pull, no curve, just drifting silently into deep space, forever. No jolt, no explosion. You wouldn't even feel it happen. But the cold? You'd feel that very quickly. Without the sun's energy, temperatures would start dropping almost immediately. At first, the oceans and atmosphere would hold some heat, like a warm blanket, slowly getting colder. But within a few days, global temperatures would crash below freezing. Within a week, dangerously cold. Everywhere, plants would stop photosynthesizing. Ecosystems would begin to collapse. Food chains, gone. One by one. Then the oceans would start to freeze. First a thin crust on the surface. Then thicker. Then vast sheets of ice, spreading across the entire planet. Even the atmosphere would change. Carbon dioxide, the very gas in our air, could start to freeze. The sky would grow thin, dark, lifeless. Surface temperatures could eventually drop to -100 degrees Celsius, or lower. Earth would become a frozen, silent rock, drifting alone through the void of space. But here's the fascinating part. Not everything would die. Deep beneath the surface, and on the ocean floor, life might survive. Hydrothermal vents, cracks in the seafloor that release heat from deep inside the Earth, already support life with zero sunlight. Strange creatures, microorganisms, entire ecosystems that never needed the sun at all. Those could continue, for thousands, maybe even millions, of years. Earth wouldn't be completely dead. Just unrecognizable. Now, thankfully, none of this is going to happen. The sun is stable, expected to keep burning for another 5 billion years. But this thought experiment tells us something truly humbling. Everything we have, every breath, every meal, every moment of warmth, comes from a single star, 150 million kilometers away. Its gravity keeps us in orbit. Its light powers every living thing. Its presence is the reason any of this exists at all. We don't just live near the sun. We live because of it. And that's worth thinking about, next time you feel sunlight on your face. If this made you see the universe differently, hit subscribe. Because on Cosmic Secret, we're just getting started.